Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a DIY hair mask to repair dry and frizzy hair. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. It's a definite no-no. So let's get started. So for this hair mask, we're just going to use some honey, egg, olive oil, and an avocado. Simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. So the first thing you want to do is start off with freshly washed hair. For today, I'm just using the clarifying conditioner from VO5. You also need a wide tooth comb to detangle. And you can use a hair clip. I'm just using this one just to get my hair out of my face. So now it's time to actually wash our hair just to make sure our scalp is nice and clean before we apply our hair mask. This is my first time washing my hair in this sink. I won't do that again. It hurts my neck. But I decided to do it just for today's video. So you live and learn. So now that my hair is nice and washed, I'm just going to go in and separate my hair into two different sections to apply the hair mask. I'm not being very particular with it this time. I'm applying it very generously. I'm just making sure to coat all of the hair from the top to the bottom. I really try to cover the front part of my hair and the end since my hair is very frizzy and dry. So I'm just making sure to apply the product generously, making sure that the hair mask is on every single hair strand. I start to mush all of the product into my hair as well, just to make sure that it's coated very well, and just making sure that my hair is nice and moisturized with the hair mask. So now that I have both sides covered with a hair mask, I'm just making sure to kind of mush it in, definitely rubbing the front part and bottom part of the hair to make sure that the product is really in all of the hair strands. And once you look like you've killed Shrek and your hair is fully covered in this green mush, now it's time to put my hair up, and I usually leave it on for about 30 minutes to an hour depending what I'm doing for the day. So this is what my hair is looking like now that I've rinsed off the hair mask. It's definitely bouncier and feeling more moisturized. It definitely feels a lot more manageable than it was before because, child, it was feeling dry like a Popeye's biscuit. So now I'm just going to let my hair air dry before I move on to styling. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!